Alright, next problem that we have is that right now we can basically spam shoot our bullets and well, that's not really the best way. How we can handle shooting we should have some wait time or some delay time, or some time between shots. And we should be checking if the time for the shot is true or false. And we should only shoot for example, once in 1 second or something like that. And for that we will change few things in the player shooting script. So let's go in the scripts folder. Let's open player shooting and well, we will add few things. First of all, we will add one float, public float. And let's call this one time between shots. And also we will need to have one boolean, private bool, and let's call this one can shots shoot. And I will make it true by default, because when our game starts, we should be able to shoot. Of course, now since we want to have some delay time, we gonna use call routine. And I think we have not used call routines just yet in the player movement script. So quarantines are just special functions, and they are. We can have some delay times, wait times, and so on. And to create quarantine, first of all, we need to create a function with a name of enumerator. So after our shoot, we will say enumerator, and let's call this one shoots delay. And let's open and close crawling brackets. Basically, this function will be called after we shoot our first bullet. And it means that we should not be able to shoot immediately. For that, we can say that our boolean of can shoot should be false. After that, we should have some delay time, some wait time. And to have delay time in the enumerator, you just need to say yield return new wait for seconds. And basically we can pass, for example, any number here. For example, to it will mean that we will have 2 seconds of delay time, but we created the float time between shots. And we will pass it here instead of number time between shots. And after our delay time, well, we should be able to shoot again. So we will say can shoot is true again. Okay. Next step will be to call this enumerator from somewhere and to call enumerator. What we can do in the shoot function, we can say start call routine, any brackets. We can say name of the enumerator function, which is shoot delay in the brackets. So shoot delay. And we will need one more open and closing brackets. Just like this, only thing that is left, everything to work, is to add one condition here. We will add end design. This is end sign, and we will let our opinion here. So what we are doing, well, in order to shoot, both of these conditions should be true. So we should be clicking our left mouse click and also can shoot. Our boolean should be true. If one of those conditions is false, we won't be able to shoot. That's exactly what we want. We want to only shoot when this can shoot. Boolean is true, and well, you already know when this can shoot fully. And it's true after we shoot and we have delayed time. Can shoot will be true. That's pretty much it. Very simple way how we can fix our shooting and make it better. So let's save that script. Let's go back. And we should basically assign some speed, some time between shots, so we can have it on the 1. So we will be able to shoot once every 1 second. But we can play around with this number, and yeah, no matter how much ice pump, we are shooting once every 1 second. I think it's a little bit too much, so I will make it 0.7. Yeah, I think 0.7 will do for now. We can also make it on the 0.5, I think. 0.5. Let's try. If we want to have little bit of faster shooting. And obviously we can make it 0, 0.2 or something like that for the really fast shipping. And I think 0, even 0.2 looks fine. Everything is better than 0 than no. Time between shots. Yeah, I think it looks alright. And this is how easily you can fix the shooting. I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next videos.